Hello everyone, welcome to Skillsville Training YouTube channel. Myself Mohammed Zubair and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro really fast. So the topic of today's video is Microsoft Access 2021 9 awesome new features. So without any further ado, let's get started. Number 1, Dark Mode. Well, as you can see, we have a light theme which is applied onto our Microsoft Access. In case if you want to change this theme, now we have some more options. Go to your file and after that go to your account section, and in here if you see you have Office theme option, and if you click on this drop down button, here we have 5 different options that we can use in order to apply as a theme. For example, we have colorful, dark gray, black, white, or system setting. I want to go with black one. So I'll just click on it, and here you can see that now black theme have been applied onto our Microsoft Access. Let's change it again. I'll again go back, and now this time I'll choose dark gray. So it's all depend on your liking and all depend on your needs that with which one you want to go. Number 2, pick a perfect color. Well, now we have one more option in order to pick a particular color. Let's say I want to have a particular color regarding this typing. So what I will do, I'll click on this drop down arrow, and after that we have one more option that says more colors. If you just click on it, here it will ask you to have or choose a particular color to apply it. But now we have one more option that says custom. If you just click on it, from here again you can choose a particular color. But if you see down here, we have one option that says hex. It means if you have a hex value of any particular color that you think is not available in here, you can put that hex value of that particular color, and that particular color will get applied onto your Microsoft Access and you will be able to use that. Number 3, search the access. Well, as we all know that in order to use a particular tool or particular feature from Microsoft Office application, we have to use these tabs, and then we have to select or choose that particular tool. Let's say I want to go to relationship. So for that I have to click on this database tools, and after that I have to click on this relationships. Let's say I want to have tables. So for that I have to click on this create, and then from here I have to choose table. But now we have one more shortcut, and that is Microsoft Search. If you just click on this search area, what you can do, you can just start typing the name of tool or feature that you want to use. For example, if I just write here table, here you can see table has just got appeared. You just need to click on it and here is your table. So how cool and how easy it is that now we do not have to worry about finding something particular in our applications, because we can just search for that and we can use it straight away. Number 4, color schemes for tab. As we all know that Microsoft put a lot of emphasis on user interface, and they put a lot of effort in order to bring new things for users, especially in terms of the colors, icons, and different things related to interface. Same goes for Microsoft Access. Well, now as you can see, we have a table with different entries of data. If I click on any one of this object, here you can see that the active field is now have different color than the rest of table, and this shows that this time this particular field or this particular type of data is active at the moment. As you can see, it is first name and it has a yellow color on its label, and it shows that we are now in this field, and all the rest of data in this particular table is not active. So it shows and it allows us to have more emphasis and more focused on what we are doing, and it will also help us to differentiate the active field with rest of the data. So if I click on this address, here you can see that this one is active at the moment. So that's a really good one in terms of the usability of Microsoft Access. Number 5, choose between object tabs or overlapping windows. In order to use this option, go to your files and after that go to your options. Now in here, look for current database, that is right here. Now in here, look for application options, that is this section. So in here we have to look for document window options and here it is. Here we have document window options. Now from here we have two options. Either we can go with overlapping windows or we can go with tab document. Well, when you select any of these options as per your liking, what you have to do, you have to restart your Microsoft Access in order to take this change effect. Otherwise, this will not work. So I'll go with the tab document, so I will not change it. So that is why I do not need to restart my Microsoft Access. Number 6, show or hide object tabs. Well, if you want to have a customized look for your database with tab document, as I have shown you earlier that I'm going with the tab document, you can either show or you can hide the object tabs. Well, there are some cases where tabs may make the database look cluttered or interfere with your design. So there are chances that you may prefer to hide the tabs. Let's say you want to create a set of buttons on a particular custom form, or you want to use a navigation form so that the users can navigate around the database that you have just created. Well, in case if you hide your tabs, Access will not provide the close button, which is like this one. So you may need to add your own button so that user can close that particular object. I'll show you that how you can show or hide object tab. Well, go to your file section and after that click on option and in here go to current database. And after that, go to your application option section, which is this one. Now from here, look for the option that says display document tabs. Here it is. Here we have an option that says display document tabs. So it all depends on you whether you want to check it or you want to uncheck it. But I'll prefer to go with check one. So this is how you can hide and show object tabs in your Microsoft Access. To make this change take effect in your Microsoft Access application, you have to close your Microsoft Access and then you have to reopen it. Number 7, manage linked table. Well, as we all know that linking to external data sources and creating the solutions based on those different sets of data is a strength of Microsoft Access. And the linked table manager is the central location for viewing and managing all the data sources, and it also allows you to link the table in the Access database. Well, there is one problem, and that is that time to time we have to refresh, we have to find a relink, edit and delete the linked table because of the changes to the data sources location. Because there are chances that the data sources or different table that we are using from different sources might get changed. So in order to have a synchronization between all the data and all the data sources, we have to refresh, relink, find, edit and delete our tables in order to have a synchronized data at one place. Let's say you want to switch from a test to a production environment. So what you will need, you need to change the data source location. And if your solution requirement have changed, you can also add or delete the linked table. So now in Microsoft Access 2021, this got changed a lot and it has been improved up to optimal level. Number 8, extended date and time data types. Well, as we all know that there is a particular data type for date and time, but now we have extended date and time data type. I'll show you that how you can use it. Let's say I want to write here date and time. Now in this data type section, if you click on this drop down arrow, now we have date time extended. Question comes into mind that what is the difference between extended one and the normal one? Well, with extended one, you also can have hours, minutes and second along with your date, your month and your year. So that's a really good improvement and really good addition in terms of having different data types. Number 9, relationship window. This relationship windows lets you define the relationship between item, stored in multiple access tables. Well, in case if you want to use relationships and if you are wondering that where it is, go to your database tools and here we have relationships tab. Just click on it. And here we have a whole new window for relationships. Well, in case if you do not know about relationships, relationships are like rules that allows you and that tells you that how the data will get connected in your database. Well, it also makes sure that your data is connected in a normalized and in synchronized manner. There might be a chance that you will have customer information in a table and you have order information in another table. So you might want to make sure that your customers table don't get separated from their order table. This will only be possible if you have a relationship between your order and your customer. So this is where a relationship comes in handy. As you can see here, we have a table in which we have all the information of our customer, and here we have a table in which we have time, item, weight, amount and number, or you can say this is the table for product. So in order to have a relationship between these two tables, just click on any field with which you want to have a relationship with other table. Let's say I want to use item. So I will just click on it and I will drag it over the ID of this customer. And here you can see the relationship type at the moment is one-to-many. So I'll just click on it and here you can see the relationship has been created. So with that, we are done with the 9 features that have been added or that are now more effective in Microsoft Access 2021. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon along with it. Till the next video, take care.